Laura Kolb here on this rainy day in Dryden. I wanted to take the time to explain a bit more why my geology team is so excited about the Hyndman project. On October 2nd, we released highlights from the Hyndman channel sampling program. We decided to complete the channel sampling program because it's difficult to collect traditional surface rock samples at Hyndman. The outcrops are smoothed over due to glaciation, making it difficult to break samples with a hammer and chisel. We talked about the most exciting result in Hyndman in my last video. That's where we were able to sample across the mineralization, intersecting 23 grams over almost 3 meters. But what does the rest of the data tell us? And what are we planning for drill follow-up? This map is showing the geology at Hyndman. We have 3 areas outlined with black boxes. These are the 3 areas where we encountered encouraging channel sample results. I'd like to walk you through them and how we've interpreted these results. On this map, you can see the entire granitoid intrusion, centrally located on the property, colored in pink. Between the prospecting programs and this year's channel samples, we have 2 potential trends of mineralization related to the granitoid intrusion. See the potential mineralized trend interpreted on this map with the red dashed lines. Let's take a closer look at the black box labeled Hyndman North Intrusion. We have observed veining on the edge of a rock face at Hyndman North Intrusion. This returns several surface rock samples of over 10 grams per ton. Our interpretation of this mineralized trend is that it would strike towards the south. At the south end of the interpreted mineralization shown on this map, you can see several prospecting and channel samples. These returned interesting results and would indicate that this trend does in fact head to the south. The best way for us to prove this theory is to drill test across these mineralized trends at the north and the southern showing. At the Hyndman South intrusion, see the southern black box on this geology map? In this area, we followed up on some prospecting samples with channel samples. This is the area we were able to cut channel samples across the mineralization. Also on this map, we see a new area of exposed mineralization. Lastly, I'd like to show you a new area we uncovered, Hyndman North Mafics. Mapping and channel sampling revealed another granitoid intrusion here, with some interesting channel sample results. Our neighbor Nexgold has a similar style deposit at Goldland. There, stacked shear veins are associated with granodiorite intrusions. Goldland has a 1.5 million ounce resource, with their granodiorites having about a 1 kilometer strike footprint. We are really excited about the potential of the granodiorites at Hyndman, which have a 4 kilometer strike footprint.